A very good morning to all of you. Today I am here with the last concept of your dimension analysis, and this is one of the important concept also, that is the question based on principle of homogeneity. In this topic we will specifically have our focus on principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity, as you already know, क्या होता है? That a formula is correct if the left hand side dimensions is equal to the right hand side dimension. This you know. Second, the second principle in this principle of homogeneity is that only same dimensions can be added or subtracted. What I mean to say is, you can add length only in length, you can add velocity only in velocity, you can subtract velocity from velocity only. I have already discussed this before also, that LT minus 1 minus में LT minus 1 gives you LT minus 1, L minus L gives you L. This you already know. So the principle of homogeneity will help us in solving these questions, and these are very important from the school plus your competition also point of view. In competition exam for sure you are going to get one question from here. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या है. Look, the question is, find the dimensions of A divided by B in the relation. आपसे पूछा डायमेंशंस निकालो. डायमेंशंस मतलब जब आप A और B को डिवाइड करोगे तो एक डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला बनेगा, वो आपको बताना है. ठीक है. इन द रिलेशन P इक्वल्स टू AX प्लस BT स्क्वायर. यहां पर P आपको गिवन है प्रेशर, A अननोन है जो आपको निकालना है, X इज योर डिस्टेंस, B इज अगेन अननोन, T इज योर टाइम. ठीक है. प्रेशर डायमेंशन आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन ओवर हियर, ml minus 1 t minus 2, x is your distance and t is your time. So your target here is to, first you have to calculate, you have to find the dimension formula of A, then you will find the dimension formula of B, then you will divide both of them. Whatever answer you will get, that will be the answer of A divided by B. You will get the dimensions of A by B. So first we are going to calculate A and B. This is your first variety. We are going to upgrade our level also. In another question we will be having something in the denominator also. So we will modify the questions, some difficult question also we are going to cover. Let's first take this one. अब देखो, अब ये एक्सप्रेशन हमें गिवन है, ये रिलेशन हमें गिवन है, इट मींस ये रिलेशन करेक्ट है, तभी तो हमें दिया है. उसने कहा है रिलेशन इज गिवन टू, इट मींस इट्स करेक्ट. सो वी कैन अप्लाई प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी. अब प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी कहता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड डायमेंशन शुड बी इक्वल टू द राइट हैंड साइड डायमेंशन. अब हमने देखो लेफ्ट में हमारे पास प्रेशर है. अब जब लेफ्ट में हमारे पास प्रेशर है तो राइट हैंड साइड पे भी तो प्रेशर होना चाहिए. देखो मैंने चलना शुरू किया, दिस इज माई प्रेशर, और जैसे मैं राइट हैंड साइड पे पहुंचा मुझे AX मिला. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में प्रेशर है तो राइट हैंड साइड पे भी क्या होना चाहिए? प्रेशर होना चाहिए. दिस शोज दैट यूजिंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी, क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी ने हमें बोला है. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी हैज टोल्ड अस, has already given us knowledge that whatever is the dimension of left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. Left hand side we have pressure, so right hand side should also be pressure, and the first thing I am getting on the right hand side is AX. So AX should also be equal to pressure. So using principle of homogeneity, your AX should be equal to, now look other thing, when I again move forward, then I am getting a sign plus. Okay, after that I am getting BT square. Now principle of homogeneity has also told us, has also given us information that only same dimensions can be added or subtracted. Now we have already concluded that AX is equal to pressure. अब AX आपका क्या बन चुका है? प्रेशर बन चुका है. तो प्रेशर में मैं क्या ऐड कर सकता हूं? प्रेशर ही तो ऐड कर सकता हूं. तो हमें यहां से क्या पता चला कि जो BT स्क्वायर है इसकी डायमेंशन भी किसके इक्वल है? AX के इक्वल है. और AX की डायमेंशन किसके इक्वल है? प्रेशर के इक्वल है. सो मैं बोल सकता हूं दैट BT स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू प्रेशर. सो योर BT स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू प्रेशर. एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी हैव प्रेशर, so when we move to the right hand side, the first thing we get is AX. So principle of homogeneity has already given us knowledge. Left hand side dimension should be equal to the right hand side dimension. So AX should be equal to P. So I have written that. Now when I move forward, I am getting a plus sign and then I am getting BT square. Now we know that only same dimensions can be added or subtracted. Now AX has the dimension of pressure. It means BT square should also have the dimension of pressure. So I have written over here BT square is equal to pressure. So this is the most important point that you should know if you are dealing with the questions based on principle of homogeneity. If you understand this point now, then you can do all the questions of it. Okay, now let's solve this. This will be our first equation. This will be our second equation. Now solve this from first. Now write the dimension A. The dimension of X is L. Pressure is ml minus 1 T minus 2. So the dimension formula for A will be m L minus 1 T minus 2 divided by L. Now when you will solve it, you will get m L minus 2, because this L will go up in the numerator and it will becomes minus 1. So you will get L minus 2 and T minus 2. So the formula for dimension formula for A you get is ml minus 2 T minus 2. Now we are going to calculate for B also. So from equation number 2, look, B and time is T. T square is equal to ml minus 1 T minus 2. Okay. Now B will be equal to ml minus 1 T minus 2 divided by T square. Now this T square will go upward in the numerator and it will become T minus 2. So T minus 2 already we have another T minus 2. So we will get T minus 4. So B will be equal to m L minus 1 T minus 4. Dekho. So we have got the dimensions for A and we have got the dimensions for B also. But our question is we need to find the dimensions of A by B. So we have to divide A and B. A और B को हमें divide करना पड़ेगा. So मैं divide कर रहा हूँ. So here I am rubbing this part. So A divided by B, m L2 T minus 2, and in denominator you have B, that is your m L minus 1 T minus 4. Now we are going to cut the things. Look, sorry, this is m L minus 2. Okay, so this m will cancel with this m. Now L minus 1 we have, this is L minus 2. So when we will cancel, we will get only L minus 1. Now in numerator you have T minus 2, in numerator you have T minus 2, in denominator you have T minus 4. So we are going to cancel and we will have T minus 2 in denominator. Now we will take this in the numerator and we will get L minus 1 T2. So this will be our answer for A divided by B, L minus 1 T power 2. So look, the questions are based on principle of homogeneity are quite easy if you understand a very basic and simple concept that same dimensions can be added or subtracted, plus left hand side dimension is equal to right hand side dimension. Now let's take another variation in this question on this concept, and that is your question number 2 for today. Let's take that. Now let's start with our second question of today based on principle of homogeneity. The question is, you need to write the dimensions of A and B in the relation. It means now you have only need to calculate the dimensions of A and B. You don't have to divide A by B, you don't have to multiply them. Just you need to find them. in the relation P equals to B minus x square division में 80 divided by 80. Okay, where P is your power. Mind you, P is not always pressure. P can be power also. So always read the question very carefully, because sometimes students think P has pressure, because in most of the question P is pressure given to you, but read the question carefully. Sometimes it can be power also. So P is power, x is distance, and T is time. Now power is rate of doing work, so dimension formula for power will be this one. Work done, you know, ml to t minus 2 divided by time, you will get this. X is your distance, t is your time. Now let's start with the question. Now the difference between the last question and this question is that in that question you have only numerator, no denominator was there, but here you have both numerator and denominator. And in these type of question you have to be very careful. Whenever you get these type of question, numerator and denominator, always first go for the subtraction and addition. It means always first calculate the dimension for the unknown which is in the addition or subtraction. Here in the numerator you have b minus x square. आपके पास b minus x square है. So first solve this. After that think for the a. Okay. Now first solve this. Now principle of homogeneity, you know that only same dimensions can be added or subtracted. Now here x is the dimension for distance, it is distance, so x square will be L square, and you have minus b with it, so b minus x square means, it means b should also be equal to the dimension of x square, because only same dimensions can be added or subtracted. That point you need to keep in mind in these type of question. Whenever you get these type of question, numerator denominator, always go for the addition and subtraction part first. Solve that first, after that go for the other. So using P dot O dot H, same dimension can be added or subtracted, we know. Therefore my b will be equal to x square. It means the dimension of b should be equal to x square. That's why there is minus sign in between them. So dimension of both should be same, both should be equal. That's why we are subtracting them from each other. Principle of homogeneity has already said that. So b should be equal to x square, and the dimension of x is L. So x square dimension will be equal to L square. So the dimension formula for b will be equal to L square. Sometimes students do this mistake, they put the dimension, they cross multiply and use that formula. Okay, that will be wrong in that case. First go for the plus and minus thing. Solve that using the concept same dimension can be added or subtracted. Here you have b minus x square, it means both should have same dimension. So b should be equal to x square. And the dimension of x you know is L, that is length. So x square will be L square, so b equal, you got L square. Now do one thing. Put these dimension over here now. So therefore, it means that implies P pressure will be equal to L square minus में L square divided by 80. So in numerator you are going to get L square divided by 80, and here you have pressure. Now in numerator you only have L square. Now you can put the rest dimension also. So put the rest dimension. On both sides, or you can put the dimension in this step also. ठीक है, आप पहले भी पुट कर सकते थे, करना चाहो तो. बस ये ध्यान रखना, एक बार b निकाल लेना. b निकालने के बाद आप इस फॉर्मूले में डायमेंशन सारी भी रख सकते हो एक साथ. प्रेशर की भी रख सकते हो उसी टाइम, सबकी एक साथ भी रख दो. वरना आप ये कर सकते हो, पहले उसको सॉल्व कर लो और फिर डायमेंशंस पुट कर दो. Our the main agenda is to calculate the dimension of A and B. Now put the dimensions. Pressure, sorry, this is your power. So the dimension of power is, here you have L square You know na, L square minus L square gives you L square. That's why I have written here L square. Division में A and the dimension for time is T. Now that, look, now you have to calculate only A, rest dimension formula you know. So you can calculate A, just cross multiply. So A you will be L square division में M L2 T minus 3 multiply with time. Okay, now L square will cancel with the L square. L square will cancel with L square. Okay, now solve the rest. So I am rubbing this part about. Now look, in up you don't have anything now 1, and in downward you are having M. L square cancel out with L square. Now T minus 3 and here is T. So you will get T minus 2 downward. Now when you will take it in the numerator, you will get M minus 1 T 2. So this will be the dimension formula for A. So dimension formula for B you have already got L square, and dimension formula for A is M minus 1 T2. So in this way you have to solve these types of questions. So be very careful. First always go for the plus and minus thing. You have minus over here, it means the dimension of B and x square should be same. So in this way you will get dimension of B equal to this. Now when you put the dimension of B over here, so you will get L square minus x square is L square. L square minus L square will give you L square. Now you can put the dimension of rest and you can solve it quite easily. Okay, now I am giving you one question as a homework. Try that question. Tomorrow in next video I will be discussing that question also. So I am writing the question, you have to try that. So this is the question which you have to practice. You have to try. Tomorrow I will be discussing this question as well. The question is, you need to find the dimensions of A divided by B. So in this question you have to first find the dimension of A, then find the dimension of B, then you have to divide that, then you will get the answer. In the relation P equals to A minus x square divided by BT. So something somewhat like your last question, question number 2, but it's somewhat different. Why it is different? The question, the way of asking question is different. Second, here your x is distance, t is time, and p is your pressure. In last question, the p was your power. So this is the difference between the two questions. The way of asking the question plus here your p is power. But the approach will be same, that you have to use here principle of homogeneity. So by the idea from the second question, I hope that you may be able to solve this question number 3. But if you are not able, then tomorrow I will be discussing this question as well. Till then, keep revising, keep studying, and stay healthy. Bye and take care.